Welcome to our video on writing and emailing effectively. In today's fast-paced world, written communication has become an essential aspect of our professional and personal lives. In this video, we'll be covering the following topics. 1. The importance of clear and concise writing. 2. Best practices for email communication. 3. Tips for proofreading and editing your writing. 4. How to use language and tone effectively. 5. How to write persuasive emails and business letters. First, let's talk about the importance of clear and concise writing. This means getting straight to the point and avoiding unnecessary words or phrases. Clear and concise writing will help your audience understand your message quickly and easily. Additionally, it can help you to communicate more effectively with your colleagues, clients, and customers. Next, let's talk about best practices for email communication. This means using a professional and appropriate subject line, using a clear and concise message, and avoiding using all capital letters or exclamation points. Additionally, it's important to be mindful of the tone and language you use in your emails, as it can convey a certain attitude or emotion. Thirdly, let's talk about tips for proofreading and editing your writing. This means checking for grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors, as well as ensuring that your writing is clear and easy to understand. Additionally, it's important to have someone else review your writing, as they may catch errors that you missed. Fourthly, let's talk about how to use language and tone effectively. This means choosing the right words and phrases to convey your message and being mindful of the tone that you're using. Additionally, it's important to be aware of cultural differences, as they may affect the way you communicate. Finally, let's talk about how to write persuasive emails and business letters. This means using persuasive language, making logical arguments, and providing evidence to support your claims. Additionally, it's important to be aware of the audience's needs and concerns and to address them in your writing. In conclusion, writing and emailing effectively is an essential skill that can be developed through practice and attention to detail. By being clear and concise, following best practices for email communication, proofreading and editing your writing, using language and tone effectively, and writing persuasive emails and business letters, you'll be on your way to becoming a confident and effective communicator. Thank you for watching.